Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we'll start our next topic of division, that is story sums or the word problems. In that the example is given: mother distributed 15 mangoes equally among her 3 sons. How many mangoes will each son get? A mother distributed 15 mangoes in 3 sons. So one son has how many mangoes, that we have to find. So total number of mangoes is 15 and number of sons 3. So number of mangoes each son will get, that is 15 divided by 3. So now we'll count the table of 3 up to 15. So 3 how many is a 15? 3 5 is a 15. So answer is 5. So therefore each son will get 5 mangoes. So answer is 5. With the help of this, there is a exercise 2.6. In that the first question is given: solve the following word problems. The first is given: Rusha had 54 chocolates. She wanted to divide them equally into 6 boxes. How many chocolates will she put in each box? So Rusha had 54 chocolates and she want to divide that chocolates into 6 boxes. So how many chocolates one box will have, that we have to find. So answer is, the solution is given as follows: total number of chocolates, how many? 54. So we'll write 54 in the given blank, 54. Now number of boxes, how many boxes are there? 6 boxes, so 6. Now number of chocolates to be put in each box. So what we will do, we will divide 54 divide by 6. So now we'll find 54 in table of 6. So at which place we got 54 in 6 table? 6 how many is a 54? 6 9s are 54, right? So the answer is 9. So we'll write here, therefore she will put 9 chocolates in each box. One box will have 9 chocolates. Second is given: a shopkeeper has 64 flowers. He wants to divide them equally into 8 bunches. How many flowers will he put in each bunch? So how many flowers are there? 64 flowers, and that shopkeeper want to divide this flower into 8 bunches. So one bunch will have how many flowers, that we have to find. So we'll write here total number of flowers, how many? 64. So 64. Now next is number of bunch. How many bunches are there? 8 bunches. So 8. Now for finding number of flowers in each box or each bunch, we'll do division. So 64 divided by 8. So now we'll find 64 in table of 8. So at which place we found 64? 8 how many is a 64? 8 8s are 64, right? So 8 is our answer. So here we'll write, therefore he will put 8 flowers in each bunch. Now next is question number 2 is given: divide the following in your notebook. So as they are asked to solve in notebook, we'll solve these 2 sums in our notebook. So here I have written those examples in notebook. So in the first example is 20 candies are to be put equally in 5 boxes. How many candies can be placed in one box? So 20 candies are there and that we have to put in 5 boxes. So one box will have how many candies, that we have to find. So in solution we'll write number of candies. So number of candies how many is equal to 20, and number of box how many? Number of boxes how many? 5. So what we have to find, one box will have how many candies. So each box contain candies is equal to 20 divided by 5. So what we will do, we will count 20 sorry, we will find 20 in the table of 5. So 5, how many is a 20? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So answer is what? Here 4. So one box will have how many candies? 4 candies. So we'll write here, therefore each box have 4 candies. Now second sum is given. Sudha has 36 rose flowers. She makes 4 rose garlands with equal number of roses in each. How many roses will each garland have? So in this, Sudha has 36 rose flowers and she makes 4 rose garlands. What is garland? We call mala in Hindi or mala in Marathi. So she makes 4 rose garlands and one garland has equal number of roses. Each 4 garland have equal number of roses. So how many garlands she have? Sorry, how many roses each garland have, that we have to find. So we'll solve this sum as number of roses. How many roses are there? 36. And how many garlands are there? Number of garlands is equal to 4. So what we have to find? Number of roses each garland have. Is equal to 36 divided by 4. So now we'll find 36 in the table of 4. So we'll count the table of 4 up to 36. So 4, how many are 36? 4 nines are 36, right? So what is our answer here? 9. So we'll write the answer in words as therefore each garland have 9 flowers. In this way we can solve the word problems that are given on the division.